Now, we will do together, you have demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives. Just to find the difference, we will look at one side, demonstrative pronoun, another side, we look at demonstrative adjectives with very little variations. Okay? Demonstrative pronouns on one side, and then we do demonstrative adjectives. We look at the two sets of sentences and try to understand. Now, this is my pen. When you say this is my pen, that is, this is my pen, demonstrative pronoun. Now, how will you look at when it is a demonstrative adjective? It will be, this pen is big. This pen is big. In both, we are talking about this pen. But here, pen is big, so that goes under adjective. Just a very slight difference, but we need to look at it. Now, this is my pencil. That is the demonstrative pronoun. And when it comes to demonstrative adjective will say, this pencil is mine. This pencil is mine. This pencil is mine. Next, that is my book. That is my book. An adjective, demonstrative adjectives, you will say, that book is mine. That book you can either say that book is mine, or that book is big, or that book is what, because it's adjective. Okay? That book is, let's say, small. Okay, some little difference. Next we have, these are your pens. These, demonstrative pronoun. These are your pens. And in demonstrative adjective, let's look at it. These pens are yours. Then we have, those are her dogs. Those are her dogs. Her dogs. And when it is demonstrative adjective, we'll say, those dogs are hers. Those dogs are hers. All right? And then we have, these are green apples. These are green apples. Green apples. And in demonstrative adjectives, you will say, these apples are green. These apples are green. Are green. A very slight difference, but you need to look at it. That is my advice to you. That is my advice. That's my advice to you. Okay? That is my advice to you. Now, in the demonstrative adjective, it becomes that advice helped me. That advice helped me. Now, look at all these sentences that we have done. We are looking at demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative adjective. Okay, how do we use this demonstrative pronoun when it comes to adjective? This is with slight difference. This is my pen. This is my pencil. That is my book. These are your pens. Those are her dogs. These are green apples. And that is my advice to you. These are demonstrative pronouns. But when you look at demonstrative adjective, this is my pen. It changes to this pen is big or small or hers or yours. This is my pencil. This pencil is mine. Or you can say this pencil is big or this pencil is long or short. We are looking at adjectives, slight change. That book, that is my book. That book is small or that book is big, whatever. Those are your pens. In adjective, it comes, you will say, no, these are your pens. Then you say, these pens are yours. Those are her dogs. In adjective, demonstrative adjective, you will say, those dogs are hers. These are green apples. That is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjective, they say, these apples are green. In demonstrative pronoun, you say, that is my advice to you. In demonstrative adjective, it becomes, that advice helped me. That advice helped me. So now you learned the demonstrative pronoun, to use it, and then when it comes to demonstrative adjective, how it is used.